Hello and welcome to Smooth Fusion Sitefinity tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sitefinity out-of-the-box video module and widget. So there are three components to the videos module. There is the module itself, there are the video widget and video gallery. Boom, boom. So within the video module, you can create libraries and upload videos. Then you can manage existing videos here as well. So we've already have uploaded our videos, and once you're on your page and you've added your video widget or video gallery widget, the first thing to do is go into edit, select the video that you wish to show. You can control the aspect ratio as well as the template that you have stylized for it. In this case we have banner and then default. Then next we have the video gallery widget, which if you have styles, you will be able to choose those here. Under list settings, you can select the library you want to choose from, or whether it's a single library or filtered by certain characteristics. Your list setting will help control what is shown, whether it's paginated or whether there's a limit on how many are shown per page, and then also whether there's no paging or no limitation at all. And you have your sort order, your thumbnail size, your template that you'd wish to use with it, which if you had a template, it would show here. We do not on this site, so it will not appear styled. And you could select what happens when an individual video is clicked. So publish that page. And you can see here that we have this video in here showing. And then on this page, you can actually see the video gallery widget as well. For more Sitefinity tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel, check out our blog, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks.